Welcome to the enchanting world of dolphins, where every day is a celebration. Watch as they indulge in their favorite pastime, joyful games. Their acrobatics and grace mesmerize all who witness them. Dolphins are inquisitive beings, eager to connect with us. They bring laughter and happiness to those lucky enough to encounter them. Their presence reminds us of the wonders of nature, inspiring awe and wonder. Let's cherish these magical moments and protect their home, our precious oceans. Until we meet again, let's continue to celebrate the spirit of dolphins and preserve their world.